a symphony of sights and sounds. Step into a world bursting with color and life, a living storybook. The air is warm, thick, and smells of earth and flowers. Sunlight peeks through a green ceiling of leaves, painting patterns on the ground. Everything is green, giant leaves, twisty vines, and mossy carpets underfoot. Listen, the jungle orchestra begins. Monkeys chatter, parrots squawk, insects hum, and water drips from leaves. If you're quiet, you might hear a mysterious creature rustling nearby. This isn't just any forest, it's a rainforest teeming with secrets and surprises. Every corner hides something new: rainbow beetles, trumpet-shaped flowers, ancient trees with sprawling roots. So grab your binoculars, we're off on a claymation adventure through the world's most amazing rainforests. Ready? Let's dive into the wild green yonder. Our first stop, the Amazon rainforest in South America. It's the biggest rainforest on Earth. The Amazon River snakes through a city of trees where animals are the citizens. Watch spider monkeys swing, sloths hang lazily, and capybaras lounge by the water. Spot a blue morpho butterfly flashing sky-colored wings. Meet the walking palm tree shuffling slowly across the forest floor, and giant water lilies strong enough to hold a child. Deep in the shadows, a jaguar prowls. King of the jungle, master swimmer and climber. The Amazon is a treasure chest of life with millions of plants, animals, and insects. Scientists discover new species here all the time. It's a world of mystery and wonder, and our adventure is just beginning. What other marvels await? Next, we zip to Costa Rica, a rainforest bursting with color and sparkle. These cloud forests are high in the mountains, wrapped in cool mist and draped in moss and orchids. Birds steal the show: the resplendent quetzal with its ribbon tail, rainbow-beaked toucans, and buzzing hummingbirds. Look closely. A red-eyed tree frog camouflages as a leaf, then flashes its colors to startle predators. Howler monkeys roar their greetings through the trees. Plants are just as wild: the hot lips plant and strangler figs that wrap around their hosts. Even small places can be packed with the biggest wonders of nature. Costa Rica dazzles with every step. The rainforest here is a living jewel box. Let's keep exploring. Our final stop, Tasmania, off Australia's coast. This is a cool, misty, temperate rainforest. Giant ferns and ancient trees create a fairy tale world with crisp air and mossy ground. Instead of monkeys, spot shy wallabies, pademelons, and soaring wedge-tailed eagles. Meet the Tasmanian devil, small, feisty, and vital for keeping the forest clean. Marvel at mountain ash trees and ancient huon pines, some thousands of years old. Special oils help these trees resist rot and thrive for centuries. Strange fungi glow and pop up like tiny sculptures on the forest floor. Tasmania proves jungles can be cool, misty, and magical. It's a peaceful, ancient wilderness, the perfect place to end our green adventure. Our rainforest journey has shown us wonders, from Amazon sloths to Costa Rican frogs and Tasmania's ancient trees. But rainforests are more than beautiful. They're the lungs of our planet, making the oxygen we breathe. They control weather, create rain, and keep Earth's climate balanced. Rainforests are nature's medicine cabinet. Many life-saving medicines come from their plants. There's still so much to discover. Who knows what cures are hidden in their leaves? We can all help, learn, share, support rainforest protection, and choose products that don't harm these wild places. Even small actions make a big difference. These green worlds are a gift to us all. Let's be their friends and protect them, so rainforests can keep buzzing, roaring, and growing for generations to come.